Hi everyone, Judy here. So this is now the update of our apartment, 10th week. So this is what they've done. So I'm just gonna change the camera for you so that you can see what's happening behind me. All right. Okay. So Joshi is with me today. So they already put some. They already covered the holes, some of the holes. So here is the gate. We removed the PPR already, the white PPR line, water line, and they already covered that. Here they're starting to level this one, and then there they already covered the hole as well. And they already extended the, what's this, the bars, the steel bars or metal bars, I don't know, metal or steel bars, I'm not so sure. So up there, up to there. Okay, so they're preparing it for the second floor. So all of the columns uh, have been cemented here as well. So I think they still have to cover this one up. Of course, they will definitely cover this. Okay, Joshi, stay with Mama. Just stay here because there is a hole here. And then they still have to cover that. And then that one, I think they will remove that today, the wood panels. So this is where they mix the cement. By the way, that is Fifi. That's our stray cat. Fifi is living outside the house. I want him there so that he will protect the house from the unseen bad elements. Okay, if you believe in that. So that is where they mix the cement, because I don't want them to mix the cement outside of this apartment due to very tight space, and I don't want the neighbors to complain. So they had this plywood box. That's where they mixed their cement. Okay, so after they will remove the wood panels, they will have to cover this hole here. We have an aircon inside the house, so this is the drainage of the aircon. So I will try to talk to the contractor to have this connected to the toilet drainage. Okay, so this is basically what's happening on this 10th week. I am video logging. I'm doing a video, Josh. This is Kaimito tree, and we have to remove the branch. We will not remove the whole tree, definitely not, because I love trees. I don't want to remove trees, and the trees will actually help with the temperature in the apartment. And we have 2 trees here, so we will just remove the branches, and then we will leave the trees on their own. Okay, I want trees, it's very important. There you go. This is Kaimito tree, and the other one I really do not know what kind of tree is that, but it's a big tree. See, Fifi is guarding us, making sure we are safe here. Yeah. Okay. Hi everyone. So today is the 10th week, going to 11th week. So don't mind the clothes of the workers. Okay, so here again, where are we? So this side here, they already extended it up, the wood panels, and then here, nothing really new. But this side here, they extend the wood panels also, and what else? They move the mixing. Plywood where they mix the cement. They move it here in the middle, and then they already cover the hole here. So basically no more holes, no more holes in this ground floor. And then they also remove the wood panels and move it a bit higher there. And I think they were working with these metal bars here. I don't know if you can see that one over there. I am amazed but at how the gate is big, bigger than what I had expected it to be. Okay guys. Alright, so this is the entrance. This is the gate. What you can see it's like 1.2 meters from here to here. So that's how wide the main entrance will be. It's going to be. So alright. So I feel so excited about the development for this week because they're already done with the foundation and they're already moving up. It's really hot here in the Philippines, guys. It's really hot, it's really humid, and we have a problem with water. We have a water crisis, not just in Cebu, it's actually a nationwide problem. That's why in this building we are going to put about 2,000 liters water tank because of usually during summer there is always a water crisis, not just in Cebu, it's a whole country problem. It's a whole country problem. So it's really good to have a water tank just to make sure we have water supply. This is Fifi. Fifi is always comes here whenever I come here in the construction. Okay, tomorrow is a Labor Day. Tomorrow is Labor Day, so no workers tomorrow. Alright, so you can see the metal bars there. So they're already preparing for the second floor. There you go. So far I am quite satisfied with the development, and according to the contractor we are still on time. We are still on schedule with construction. There you go. I am really sweating, guys, because it's really humid, it's hot, it's summer in tropical country. So that is the update for this week. I hope to see you next week. Bye.